so many people knew that I was so ill and in such bad shape that they asked me how I could recover so quick, and I really tell them my story about Dr. Field and him giving me my life back, essentially is what he did.
And so now I feel like I have my life back and I can be the teacher, the mom, the friend, you know, the wife that I need to be and want to be, and it's because of Justin Fields.
I went from feeling like an old person for the last couple of years to getting my life back and, you know, being able to work out. I feel like I've gained 10 years and very happy. It's great because we have a very active lifestyle and my kids are very active, and so to keep up just with them and the daily routine is you know, just to be able to do that again is great.
Our patients, they energize us. Good results make it all worthwhile. When the patients are super happy and you just like give them their life back, it definitely makes it worth it.
After I'm able to fix them, the joy that they have, that their family members have, and seeing them again and seeing them do well it's a wonderful feeling.